I'm doing this video to help those who are interested in coding and they need to set up their coding in Visual Studio Code and they don't know how to do it. I'm doing this video. Just follow these steps. The first thing you need to do is to create a folder on your desktop, and this folder should be the name of your project. So for example, college website 2. Now inside this folder, remember to create another folder inside, and the name of your folder should be images, because in this folder is where you're going to put your images that you need to work with. So these are the images. You need to paste your images or pictures inside that folder. Now what you need to do is to launch this program called Visual Studio Code, and if you haven't downloaded, just go to Google, just go to on a browser, then search for Visual Studio Code. You will download it. It is just free. It's an open source. Now for this case, I'm going to launch this program here. So this is what you need to do. Okay, now go to this file tab here, then go to open folder. Now from here, go to desktop, because it is the location where you created your folder, and this folder was college website 2. It's here. Now select the folder just like that. Now this is the folder. You haven't created anything. You won't have images in that folder. Now you need to come to this we call it this one. You're going to click here, then you're going to create the HTML file. You're going to say index.html. That's the first file. Then click on this one as well. Click here, then name the second file as style.css, right? Then you can create another one file here. You can call it script.js. Now you're going to click on this HTML file like this. So you're going to make sure you press shift and key 1 like that, and then press enter. It will display this template here. Now here is where you need to enter the title of your website or your project. Like I can say college website. Now from there, you need to link this CSS file to your HTML. Very easy. Now on this here, before the title, okay, within the header, okay, within the header tag, this is where you need to link your CSS. Now you just type li, then you're going to see this one. Click there, it's going to link. Now this one here, it is now linked. We have style.css and it is already here. Now you can save. So if you're going to work with the CSS and HTML, this one is already linked. Now with the JavaScript, we don't put it at this header, within this header tag. We don't do that, but instead we put it down here. You say script, this one, script, you pick this one like that. So here we had source, and our source is script.js. So you're going to say script.js like that. So guys, this is how you can set up your work in, or you can set up your project in Visual Studio Code. If there's any question, please let me know in the comment section.